Hey guys, this is Simcraft the Gamer here with some more sushi, with some Sushi Cat. So, we are going to, start playing a little game. What? Oh, no. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Okay, let's continue. So, we're just gonna act like this is a new game. I love the storyline to it. It's just so adorable. And I just think how cute it is that the cartoons, and yes, I just love it. So, play level 1. We have to eat sushi pieces of sushi. So I got the tongue rolls. Let's get all those num nums. I don't know why I just called them num nums. I thought it was adorable too, so I decided to. So, how are you guys doing? I haven't uploaded in quite a while. Only because I really wasn't in the mood to upload, but I'm uploading finally again. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or are going to enjoy this video, because I have no idea. So Sushi Cat is just a really fun game that's adorable, and I love it. I love it. It's free to play. You just press play game, and then you just play it. It's just so free. Not so free. It's just free and fun to play. So I really like this game, and I hope you guys enjoy this video of this game. And it's just so adorable. It's just like the best thing ever. Hold on. Hold on. I want to. There are no outfits though, and I think that's pretty bad. Hold on, guys. So, guys, sorry about that. I just needed to fix something real quick. But we're back. Oh my gosh, I'm barely getting any sushi. Oh, I need 9 left. So that shouldn't be so hard, right? Right? The tongue roll is like the hardest to get any kind of sushi if you're in a bad position. So yeah, it's gonna be really hard. I'm liking this music a lot. I really like this music. It's just so peaceful. Just so peaceful. I love it. Let's get this first. Let's get these things. I messed up my going down completely like that. Yes, no. At least I got the rest of the sushi except that little piece. Ugh! Dong. So this isn't really a concentrating game. I mean, it kinda is. You have to try to put the cat in the exact perfect place to actually win. So it's not that complicated and it's not that easy. It's a little bit of both. So yeah. Just hoping this works. Okay. Let's get this first. Okay. Just drop this right in the middle. Sort of. So I can get, some pieces from the other sides, too. Bam! That's perfect timing. Perfect timing. Okay. I love the motions in this game. They're just adorable. So confused. I'm thinker to that. Bjorn! Oh, muscle dog. Need to get more fat. So we have a new power up. It's really amazing, this power up. I think it's like the best. Okay, guys. Okay, that was my timer. After these couple things, we're gonna end the video. Because I put a timer up because I thought I was gonna upload something else, but I decided, why not? Let's upload the most cute game ever. So, yeah. So guys, actually I'm going to end this episode here. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Remember to leave like, comment, subscribe. Remember to check out the two Pro Bros and Mam and the Roy. Again, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and remember to check out my vlog. And yeah, bye guys!